Alright, today we're going to take a look at replacing a cabin filter for a 2006 Honda Accord EX. It shouldn't matter which model you have, it should all be the same. We're going to be replacing ours with a Fram Fresh Breeze. So we're going to open the glove box, and as you can see, this latch is normally attached here. You just push it back and it'll release. Inside here, you're going to just push in on both sides of the glove box. Those retaining clips will release. And this is your blower housing, and then this is going to be your cabin filter up here. So there's a tab here, so just release it there. There's another tab here, release that one, and then it should pull straight out. And as you can see, this one's kind of dirty. Here, let's take a look at it here. So there's the ground before, the ground after. Not too much dirt, but it's got a year's worth of stuff on it. So anyway, we're gonna dump that guy. And we'll go ahead and put the new one in. Okay, so one thing to remember is the direction of airflow. So this is giving you an arrow that is flowing down. Here's a hint. It's right on the front of the cover here. So if you place this cabin filter with the writing facing up, you will notice that the arrow faces down, so it's already ready to go. Okay, so once you get this in, and the airflow direction going in the right direction, go ahead and slide it back in until you hear the clips engage, both sides. Then you just bring this back up, and it should, oops, I'm sorry, you just bring the glove box back up, you just press straight up and it'll lock into place. The only thing is you will not be able to re-engage this hook, which is basically a strut. Just like that. Bring it down, push up. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.